When I was diagnosed with breast cancer, in the hospital only, I broke down there and I cried. So when my doctor called me in, she checked me and she told me, okay, we will start off with chemotherapy with you. That will be your first line of treatment right now. Now, the first question that comes into your mind is your hair. And that is what happened with me also. You do lose your confidence when you start losing your hair. So in my second cycle, obviously my hair fell off. I was like, I don't know what to do. You know, I did a lot of research. In fact, my daughter did a lot of research for me, yes. And then my daughter saw your video and she got in touch with you. When I came here, I saw the hair quality. I was very sure that I wanted very good quality hair. I wanted natural hair and something that, you know, I'm confident wearing. So you do get a lot of stuff which is, you know, synthetic, and you have a lot of brands and all. But I was not happy with their stuff. I'm not trying to promote or anything, but I'm very happy with the kind, because whenever I have some issue, I do get in touch with Arya, and you know, she immediately replies and she immediately sort of looks into my concerns and looks into what can be done about how she can resolve my issues. So yeah, so I wanted somebody to really maintain my hair, and that's what is important for me. You can see it that this is not my natural hair, like this is what I am right now. My wig gives me a lot of confidence and I'm willing to wear it. I mean, I have no qualms in saying that. Honestly, when I walked into a party, it was like we were about 20 friends, and I was just telling my husband that first time I'm going to walk into a party with a wig, which is not my normal hair, and I was quite, you know, worried that what they're going to react and how they're going to react and what they're going to say. I think they'll make out. There was a lot of things going on in my mind. I said, man, should I go? Should I not go? But then I said, no, I'm going. I have to go. I have to enjoy. I went, and you won't believe the amount of compliments I got. Like, people were asking me, what have you done to yourself? You're looking like 20 years younger. So that pepped me up more, you know.
So this is a message from a very, very brave woman. She's been extremely brave and she's sharing her experience so that you guys feel comfortable. We understand that in India, it's a very big thing that you're losing your hair. For a woman, it's very, very big. Our suggestion that please don't think much. There are options today. We have wigs which probably can make it look exactly like your natural hair. So please don't think much. It's absolutely fine. It's not your fault. And we are here to help you. So just in case, I'm sure when you get to know that you have cancer or alopecia, you go through a lot of mental trauma. We understand, but don't stop your life. Don't go through all that pain today. You have an option, consider it and try to normalize your life. It's just a phase and it's not your fault. She just shared her experience that it's absolutely fine, and in fact, her life is absolutely normal. Imagine how that initial phase you feel that it's the end of life, how will I go ahead? And today here she is sharing her experience just to help you guys.
Yes.
So please take that step. Please don't go through that mental trauma. Today you have an option. Please go for that option. Thank you.